Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to search movies in Amazon Prime Video. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and give your login credentials and sign in. Once you sign in, on your screen you can see there are options like all, movies, TV shows and other recommendations of movies and TV shows. Now all you have to do is look at the bottom of your screen and find search option, which is at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then under search you can see there are suggestions of genres and a search bar. Tap on that search bar and type in the movie you want to watch. Once you do that, all you have to do is tap on go. Once you tap on go, it might take a few seconds. Then under results, you can find your movie. And guys, that's it. That's how you search for movies in Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.